Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to scan a document on the Adobe Acrobat Reader application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Tap on the plus icon down below in the right side corner of the screen and tap on Scan. Tap on the camera icon and you should direct your phone to your document. Now it is scanning. You should hold your phone steady. As you can see, you should drag the handles to adjust the borders. You can also do this later using the crop tool. Tap on continue if you are satisfied with the borders. Tap on OK. Click on this document icon down below, and if you want to edit your document or your scan, you should use these options down below, and if you are satisfied with it, tap on the save button in the upper right corner of the screen, thereby saving your document as a PDF file. So if you tap on it, you will be able to see it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.